Are you having problems with localized MPEG decoding logic not locating the Mpglib library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. I've diagnosed the pathing error and I'm going to show you how to restore the file. Before we begin the walkthrough for Mpglib library, check the link below for a tool to assist with library environment checks. This is the Mpglib library, a foundational unmanaged C library for decoding MPEG layer 1, 2, and 3 audio. It manages the localized Huffman decoding and subband synthesis required to transform compressed bit streams into PCM audio, frequently embedded in legacy localized media players and game launchers. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. Since Mpglib Library DLL is a third-party dependency belonging to the localized MPEG decoding logic toolkit, performing a fresh installation of your host application, where you received the error, is the only way to ensure the library is correctly placed. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Mpglib library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure-level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. Since a standard reinstall didn't fix the library error, we need to perform an integrity check on the host program. If you are using a launcher like Steam or Epic, use the Verify Integrity of Game Files tool. For standalone apps, manually delete the application folder in your local app data directory before reinstalling to ensure no corrupted files are locked in the cache. Why are we doing this? Well, standalone installers often skip files that are already present or locked. Using integrity tools or clearing the app data cache forces a byte-for-byte replacement of your DLL file. A quick professional note on security: sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Do not compromise your computer's health by sourcing Mpglib Library DLL from random internet mirrors, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts designed to bypass standard antivirus protocols. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. If you're looking to streamline system performance, the link in the description references a maintenance tool associated with Mpglib library. To keep your workstation running with a reliable configuration and ensure Mpglib library remains stable, subscribe to our channel and like this video.